Hi, welcome to the Regular Employee Timesheets Approval video session. Timesheets approval by employee is applicable for the approval of timesheets related to staffing organizations' internal project deployments. Thus, an employee can be a resource submitting timesheet, and the same employee can be an approver for other resources' timesheet as well. Timesheets for the client project deployments and placement agent deployments are approved by the corresponding client route administrators and placement agent route administrators, respectively. An internal project timesheet may be subject to approval by multiple approvers, depending on the timesheet approval hierarchy levels, behavioral controlling parameter value configured for the staffing organization. At the time of internal project timesheet generation, this parameter value is factored in to derive the approvers. In case of multiple approvers, when a resource submits an internal project timesheet, it goes to the first-level approver. The approver gets to see in his portal the timesheet waiting for his or her approval. Upon approval by the first-level approver, the timesheet goes to the next level of approver, if any. The timesheet approval is considered to be complete when the last-level approver has approved the timesheet. The timesheet may be rejected at any level of approver, and it goes back to resource for resubmitting the timesheet. Click on Timesheet Approval menu item to get to the user interface for timesheets approval. As you see, an internal project timesheet is awaiting approval from this approver. Click on the Timesheet action link to get to the user interface for approving the timesheet. Click on the Timesheet Approvers and Approval Status accordion link to see the approvers for this timesheet. Notice that there are two levels of approver. The first-level approver is the currently logged-in employee. The approval status shows open as the timesheet is not approved yet. Click on the Approve button to get to a dialog box where the approver may put in a comment on approval and confirms the approval by clicking the Approve button. Once the timesheet is approved, the timesheet disappears from this user interface and it appears in the second-level approver's portal for approval. Let the second-level approver log in. As you see, the timesheet now appears in the second-level approver portal awaiting approval. Click on the Timesheet action link of the timesheet. Click on the Timesheet Approvers and Approval Status accordion link to see the approvers for this timesheet. Notice that the first approver's approval status shows approved. The second-level approver's approval status shows open because the second-level approver has not approved the timesheet yet. The second-level approver is the currently logged-in employee. Also notice that the timesheet status is still submitted, as only the first-level approver has approved, but all the approvers have not approved the timesheet yet. Click on the Approve button to get to a dialog box where the approver may put in a comment on approval and confirms the approval by clicking the Approve button. Upon approval, the timesheet disappears from the user interface. Now, let us check the status of the timesheet. Let the employee log in whose timesheet it is. Go to the Timesheet Submission dashboard and click on the Approved tab. As you see, the timesheet appears in this node now. The timesheet status is Approved also. As you see, the timesheet appears in this node now. The timesheet status is Approved also. Let's check the Timesheet Approvers and Approval Status. As you see, approval status of both the approvers is Approved. Thank you. See you in the next video.